Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln Navigator, 1998 to 2002? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1998 Lincoln Navigator features fuses and relays that control key systems such as the engine, ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fans. It ensures reliable electrical distribution and protects circuits from overcurrent and short circuits. In the 1998 Lincoln Navigator, the primary battery fuse protects the main power line from the battery to the fuse box, shielding the system from overloads or short circuits. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding the vehicle's overall electrical network. In the 1998 Lincoln Navigator, the engine mini fuse box contains small fuses that protect specific engine components such as ignition coils, fuel injectors, and sensors. It ensures precise circuit protection and helps simplify troubleshooting and maintenance of engine-related systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1999 Lincoln Navigator features fuses and relays that control essential systems like the engine, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel pump. It ensures proper power distribution and protects circuits from overloads and short circuits. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2000 to 2002 Lincoln Navigator includes fuses and relays that manage key systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, cooling fans, and fuel pump. It provides circuit protection and ensures safe, efficient power distribution throughout the vehicle. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1998 Lincoln Navigator houses fuses that control interior electrical components such as the radio, power windows, interior lights, and climate control. It ensures safe operation by protecting these circuits from overloads and short circuits. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1999 Lincoln Navigator contains fuses that protect and control interior systems like power windows, door locks, interior lighting, radio, and HVAC. It ensures reliable operation and prevents electrical damage from overloads or short circuits. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2000 to 2002 Lincoln Navigator manages and protects interior electrical systems such as the audio system, power seats, windows, door locks, and interior lights. It provides circuit protection against overloads, ensuring safe and efficient operation of cabin features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.